In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Canva presentation. Let's jump straight in. First, make sure you already have your presentation open in Canva and that you're happy with the final design. This is important because once you export, you'll usually present from the exported file rather than editing it further in Canva. When your presentation is ready, look towards the top right corner of the Canva screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. Even though it says Share, this is also where Canva keeps all the export and download options, not just links for sharing with other people. After clicking Share, a panel or menu will appear with several options. In that panel, look for the option that says Download. Click on Download to open the export settings. This is where you tell Canva exactly what kind of file you want to create from your presentation. Next, you'll see a section labeled File Type. Canva may suggest a default file format, but for a presentation, you'll want to choose something that works well with tools like Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on the area that shows the current file type so that the full list of available formats appears. This will display different choices such as image files, documents, and presentation formats. From the list of formats, find and select PPTX. This is the standard file type for Microsoft PowerPoint presentations and is widely accepted by most presentation software. Choosing PPTX will keep your slides in a format that's easy to edit later in PowerPoint, and it usually preserves your layout, text, and images quite well. Once you've selected PPTX, double-check that it's now shown as your chosen file type. At this stage, you can also quickly review if there are any additional options, such as selecting specific pages, but if you want the whole presentation, you can leave those at their default settings. Now you're ready to export. Look for the download button in the panel and click it. Canva will start preparing your PPTX file. Depending on the size of your presentation and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. When it's done, the file will be downloaded to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder. From there, you can open the PPTX file in PowerPoint or another compatible program, review your slides, and you're ready to present.